Hello everyone, welcome to day 79 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this twisted cable stitch. Okay, so this cable stitch, it has a twist which is like a cable right here, and then two posts in between the cables. Okay, so this is how the back side looks like, and this is the front side. Okay, to start off this stitch, we need a foundation row which is a multiple of 8 plus 2, and each stitch it requires 6 double crochets. So here I have a foundation row of 27 double crochets, and then you start off with a chain 3, turn your work, and this chain 3 counts as first double crochet. Now skip 3 into the fourth stitch. You are going to make an extended double crochet. An extended double crochet is when you make a normal double crochet, and once you reach this point, you yarn over and pull out of only one loop, and yarn over, pull out of the next loop. Continue this for the next 2 stitches. You can choose to do a triple crochet also if you want. Okay, so now we have the 3 extended double crochet stitches. Now you have to go behind the work and make 3 extended double crochets at the back here where we skipped. Okay, so that's 1. And so this is just a normal extended double crochet, not a front post one. So this forms our very first cable stitch. Okay, you can see how it's twisted. Now into the next 2 stitches, you are going to make 2 extended front post double crochet stitches. So this is what will form the posts in between. Okay, now you are going to continue this. Skip 3 into the fourth one, make 1 extended double crochet. Into the fifth one, make another extended double crochet, and into the sixth one, make another extended double crochet. You can see the pattern forming already. Now go back to the skip stitches from behind. Okay, so these are the 3 stitches. You have to find the post that you made. So this is the post that you made, or you can count the number of stitches from here as well. Okay, so from the final post, you have skipped 3. Okay, so if you count from here, these are the 3 stitches where we did the extended double crochet stitch, and so that's 1, 2, 3, and these 2 are the post, and these 3 are the stitches that we have skipped. You are going to yarn over, go into those 3 stitches and make 1 extended double crochet into each of the stitch. Now again make 2 extended double crochet posts, and this is how you continue till the end of the row. So I'll complete this and I'll meet you back once I reach the end. So now I've completed this row. Chain 3, turn your work. Now you're going to do 1 back post. Okay, before that the row ends with 1 normal double crochet, and then you chain 3 and turn your work. Okay, so now in this row we are going to make one row of back post double crochet stitches. Back post double crochet stitches. So that is, you keep the post at the back. Okay, you just have to make sure you go into all these stitches, because the cable stitches are slightly twisted. It is easy to miss a stitch. So make sure you pick up all the stitches in the same order. So this is what will hold the twist that we made. Okay, so the post in between are very easy, where you just go behind and pick up your work. Once you reach the twist, you are supposed to go for a back post. So this is the stitch which is here. You'll just make a back post here. So make sure you go into the stitches and not in between the stitches. Okay, just like this you have to complete this row with a row of back post double crochet stitches. So when you reach the twist, turn your work and make sure you're picking up the right strand of post. Okay, and just like how we started off with a normal double crochet, we'll be ending the stitch as well with a normal double crochet. Okay, and remember to crochet into the final double crochet stitch as well. Okay, so now this is the back side and this is the front side. Now again chain 3 and you repeat row 2. Chain 3, skip 3 and into the fourth one make a front post extended double crochet stitch. So these 3 stitches we have skipped. Into the fourth one we are making a front post extended double crochet. Okay, and in these 3 skipped stitches you turn your work like this take your needle behind and make three normal extended double crochet stitches and then 2 front post stitches, and then you continue the pattern just like that. So this is about the twisted cable stitch. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below, and you can crochet this to any length that you want. Do try out the stitch, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.